Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Dodge Charger window. First, gather your tools, a trim removal kit, a 10 mm socket, and a new window. Safety is key, so put on your gloves and eye protection. Begin by carefully removing the door panel. There are usually a few screws hidden under caps or behind the door handle. Use your trim tools to gently pry the panel away without damaging the clips. Disconnect any electrical connectors. Now, let's remove the damaged glass. With the door panel off, you'll see the window regulator assembly. Carefully lower the window just enough to access the two 10 mm bolts that secure the glass to the regulator. Once these bolts are out, you can gently lift the old window up and out of the door frame. Be cautious to avoid any further damage or injury from broken glass. With the old glass out, it's time for the new one. Carefully slide the new window down into the door frame, guiding it into the channels. Align the mounting holes on the new glass with the clips on the window regulator. Reinsert and tighten the two 10 mm bolts to secure the window firmly to the regulator. Test the window's movement before reassembling the door. Almost done. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel. Carefully align the door panel and press it back into place, ensuring all clips snap securely. Reinstall any screws you removed earlier. Finally, test the window's operation multiple times to confirm it moves smoothly and seals correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.